In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a prompt library for Grok AI. Easy Setup 2026. First, open your browser and head over to grok.com. This is where everything starts. You don't need anything fancy, just a stable internet connection and your usual browser. Once you're on the site, you'll land on the main page where the Grok interface is front and center. Before we dive in, a quick note about accounts. You can use Grok without logging in, but signing in is helpful if you want your work to be saved and synced across sessions. It only takes a moment, and it ensures your prompt library is there the next time you come back. If you prefer to move fast, you can skip login for now and continue. Just remember, your progress may not persist. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok chat area where you interact with the AI. This is your workspace. Right in or near the chat bar, you'll find options to set how Grok responds. Auto, fast, or expert. Choose the mode that matches your goal. Auto is a balanced default that adapts to your query. Fast prioritizes speed if you want quick drafts or rapid brainstorming. Expert goes deeper, offering richer reasoning and more comprehensive outputs. You can switch modes anytime, so don't stress about picking the perfect one up front. Now, in the chat bar, type exactly, create a prompt library. Then send a message. Grok will process that request and generate a prompt library for you. Think of this as a curated collection of ready-to-use prompts you can apply to different tasks. It may include categories or examples tailored to common needs, which makes it easy to grab and reuse without starting from scratch each time. Once the library appears, you can refine it further using the same chat. If you want a concise set for quick reference, ask Grok to summarize the library. If you need more depth, ask for a more detailed version with expanded instructions and clearer use cases. You can also request variations, like rewriting prompts for a different audience or tone. The key is to iterate right in the chat until the library fits your workflow. A couple of tips as you fine-tune. Keep prompts specific about the outcome you want, the style or format, and any constraints like length. Avoid including private or sensitive information in your examples. And if a section feels too broad, ask Grok to break it into smaller, focused prompts you can apply rapidly. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. You've just created a prompt library in Grok and learned how to customize it so it's actually useful day to day.